Yes, this is a new house. For this reason, I needed a new table. So, on request of my wife, I make it. How? Let's see after the intro. This is our material, but the wood, the problem that is new. We want the effect of old table, so old wood, so we should take and ruin our wood, giving this kind of effect, you see? So if you find something old like this, you can collect the metal part and use it in the table. In this way, you will pretend even more to have old table. So they are very new now. We need to destroy a little bit. I will use different tools. I will not explain everything, if not the video will be so long. So I will show you the tools, and maybe if something is not clear, I will add some explanation with my words. So let's start it. Ruin the wood for the top of the table. Now I'll show you more closer. Now we should prepare the legs, but before that I ruin the wood, I want to cut it because I want to give this shape to the legs of the table. With this wood that I bought it, I can do only this part, and the other one. So for the top, probably I will steal one border wood from a pallet to recycle also something. This pallet was very hard to collect this wooden board from the pallet. I have to use some tools, electric tools, because it's very hard. Now our goal is to put all the pieces together, and do the legs. This is one, don't worry. Now I'll show you to do the other one, and after we should give it some color, some primer. We start from the bottom of our leg. So now we do the hole in the opposite direction where we will put the nail. Maybe it's much easier if you watch it, if I explain. Sorry for my English. Now we use the bottom to make the holes in the leg that go up. You should put like this. From these holes that we go out before, now we go in and make the holes in the other leg. Without the camera, for you will be much easier. Now we know where we should do the holes. Plus here, because we don't want to see this part of the metal, we need to enlarge a little bit the holes. In this way this part will go inside and don't scratch your floor. Okay, now we put the leg together with at least 2 screws. In this way we can find also the dimension and where to do the holes on the top of the leg. Now we can check if we have done a good job. Okay, everything is fine. We can remove the screw, add the glue, vinyl glue, put the screw again and wait a few hours. So see you in a few hours. When the glue dry, you scratch a little bit to clean with the sandpaper, and after we give the protective for wood, I will use the color walnuts medium, up to you for the color. I will give 1 layer, if you give 2 layers, even better. When all the pieces are dry, we put the table together. This wooden board, I forgot to give the protection. Maybe I will give later. So now we make holes here, 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 the same here, glue and the screw. Our table will be ready. And voila, our table is ready. Okay guys, if you are not subscribed yet to the channel, please remember to subscribe, to leave me a like it, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have some requests, some advice, please write down in the comment. See you guys.